Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon meat full guide. Start by curing pork belly with salt, sugar, and your chosen spices for 3 to 7 days in the refrigerator, flipping once each day for even cure. Keep the cure ingredients measured to taste, and avoid oversalting by weighing the meat. Rinse, pat dry, and prepare to smoke or roast the belly gently for perfect bacon texture and flavor. After curing, gently smoke the pork belly at a steady low temperature to develop flavor and a rosy edge. Maintain a smoker temperature around 200 degrees F and aim for an internal temperature near 150 degrees F before resting. Choose wood chips like apple, hickory, or maple to match your flavor preference, and allow the meat to rest before slicing thinly across the grain for even strips ready to crisp in a pan or oven. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can bring you more easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, these leak-proof containers make meal prep and storing cooked bacon so much simpler and less messy, and they're perfect for packed lunches. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one. Thank you for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Chill your smoked belly completely to make slicing easier and more precise. Then cut across the grain into strips of your desired thickness. For consistent results, use a sharp knife or slicer and keep cuts uniform so bacon cooks evenly. Store cooled bacon in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze portions for months to preserve flavor and convenience when you want quick, homemade bacon anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.